Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitarna. We have seen yesterday the highlights, summary, etc. Now, thinking about the text, answer this question in a few words or a couple of sentences each. First question is how old are Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? What did Margie write in her diary? The question, as you know, is in simple past tense. Did coming. Margie entered in her diary or wrote in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. What? What did Margie write in her diary? Margie entered, or you can write wrote. Margie wrote in her diary. Out of to anyone you can write. Entered also write, or wrote also you can write. But second form should be there because the question is in simple past tense. Did coming and first form coming. When you give answer, you have to give answer in simple past tense, and that is why second form should be used. So Margie entered or wrote, you can write in place of entered, in her diary, comma, inverted comma, today Tommy found a real book. Okay, that is the answer of second question. Now third one. Have Margie ever seen a book before? Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had never seen a book before. The question is in perfect past tense. Had and third form coming past participle, as you know. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had never seen a book before. That means that is why she is surprised. Naturally, we see anything first time, then we surprised. So Margie had never seen the book before, and that is why she is surprised. The question is in perfect past tense, answer also in perfect past tense. Okay? Question number 4. What things about the book did Margie find strange? Strange means, as you know, somehow surprising. What things about the book did Margie find strange? Margie found many things strange about the book. The pages were yellow and crinkly, and the words were stationary and didn't move. Stationary means remain in the same place. See the spelling of stationary, Stationary, and if you find Stationery, then another meaning is there. That stationery means particular shop from we purchase stationery item, school's item. It is called also stationery, but in place of A, after N, E coming. That is that stationery, and this stationery means remain same, not move, and written see and didn't move. That is called stationery. Not move, remain in same situation. And E coming after N in place of A, that means the particular shop who sells books, pencils, pens, stationery item concerned with the school. That is called also stationery, but E coming in place of A after N. After N, okay. Also, when one read it the second time, everything was the same as earlier. Well, how many times you read? The words remain stationary, not moved. Same. That is why telling like this that these particular things she found, that is the pages were yellow and crinkly. Another particular word that the pages were yellow and it remained in same situation. That is why it is telling like this that the particular words remain same, stationary, and it didn't move. And also, when one read it the second time, everything was the same as earlier, not any difference, same as earlier. We must think about it that everything we observe, that is same, and that is why Margit found it strange, because she had not seen the particular book like this in future, and that is why she thought that the words stationary, not move, the pages were yellow and crinkly same, and it does not move. The words remain same. How many times you see? One time, two times, three times, same coming, and that is why she thought or she found it strange, because she had not seen that type of words. Number 5, that is, what do you think a telebook is? What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is a virtual book that can be read on a screen. One doesn't have to run pages because the words themselves move across the screen. That is called telebook. Not like our book as today we study, but you can see it or look it or read from the screen, and doesn't have to turn the pages. The words themselves move across the screen, pass to the screen. We do not change the page, do not move the pages or turn the pages. That is called telebook. Clear? Important question. A telebook is a virtual book that can be read on a screen, and one doesn't have to turn pages because the words themselves move across the screen. That is why it is called telebook. What do you think a telebook is? According to you, what is telebook? Then keep in mind, a telebook is a virtual book that can be read on screen. One doesn't have to turn pages because the words themselves move across the screen, and that is why no need of turning or turn the pages. Number 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? Margie's school was next to her bedroom. No, she didn't have any classroom. Where was Margie's school? Asking question with where, as you know, then you have to show the place. Margie's school was next to her bedroom, that means in his house, and she did not have any classmate because she has to study alone in her room. That is why she did not have any classmate. That is why she didn't like this school of future, as you know, and she liked higher the school of past for that reason, that all the students study together. That is, according to it, we must think about it, that why they like old school, why they didn't like the school of future. That is the main reason for it. She had to study in the particular school which is near her bedroom. A small room is there, and she didn't have any classmates. She had to study alone, or she will have to study alone. That is why she didn't like. Number 7, what subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Which subject did Margie and Tommy learn? They means used for both Margie and Tommy. They learned. The question is in simple past tense. That is why in question see first form coming. But in answer, when you are giving affirmative answer, then you have to use second form. So learn, second form, learn. That is why written they learned history, geography and mathematics in their school. 3 subjects we have to keep in mind. They learnt history, geography and mathematics in their school. Clear? Three subjects keep in mind: geography and math. In this case they learnt first history, geography and maths. You can remember in short also HGM. H means history, G means geography and M means mathematics in their school. Clear? Number 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. See, I wouldn't throw it away. That is the particular line. From this we have to give the answer, which is the 4th question asked. From this we have to give the answer. I wouldn't throw it away. You have to, what the question particular asked, based on this line you have to give answer. See, who says these words? This particular line, I wouldn't throw it away, who says this word? See the answer, these words are said by Tommy. These words are said by Tommy. Number 2, what does it refer to? Refer to means concern. It refers to a real book. It concern or used for the real book. Refer to in the sense. Who has found out it? Who has found out that particular book? Tommy has found out this book. As you know that you should keep in mind only one particular main line giving the question they will ask below it, or then we have to give the answer of it concerned with this particular one line. And number 4, what is being compared with by the speaker? What is being compared with by the speaker? The book has been compared with the telebook. As you know, he found the difference between the book and telebook. The book, that is we are using that book, pages, yellow pages, crinkly, and telebook that we have seen earlier on, that the particular words we found on the screen of the computer and it automatically passes. It cannot be found again and again. That is why telling that this particular book is compared with the telebooks. Somehow difference is that, comparison is there, that real book, as you know, same words you find at any time printed on the real book as today we are using, while in telebook, as you know, we found the words on the screen and no need of pasting the pages, but at the same time it passes. We cannot found it again and again. That is what we have to learn, or we have to keep in particular mind this particular book, which is we should or we have to keep in mind this particular way. Clear? Now number 2. See on right side. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. See the line. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? Concerned with, use it. They refer to forefathers of Tommy's grandfather. They is used for the forefather of Tommy's grandfather. As you know, they had a real teacher. When writer this work, regular teacher. Number 2, what does regular mean here? It referred to the mechanical teacher that Tommy and Margie have. See, what does regular mean here? Regular means here the particular mechanical teacher. It refers to the mechanical teacher that Tommy and Margie have. That is earlier written also. It remained regular from Monday to Friday, as you know we have seen, and Saturday and Sunday holiday is there. But this mechanical teacher regular from Monday to Friday, and that is why regular word is used for the mechanical teacher. Clear? Next, what is it contrasted with? The man teacher of earlier times is being contrasted with a mechanical teacher. The difference, as you know, that particular words they have observed, they have found that the comparison between the real teacher and mechanical teacher, contrasted, showing real teacher, as you know, explaining feelings, kindness, while mechanical teacher does not have this type of kindness or feelings toward the students, does not have heart, mechanical teacher, as you know, and that is why the children don't like this. That is why they praised higher the school of past for that reason. Next, who is the speaker here? The speaker here is Tommy. Tommy speak this word. That is why telling that Tommy is the speaker of this line. Clear? Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. These words are spoken by Tommy. That is why telling that the speaker here is Tommy. See, clear? So from this line, the 3-4 questions they will give, and we have to answer according to it. Who speak this line? What does it particular mean? That we have to give that particular answer. Clear? Now, question number 3. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. Answer the following questions. What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? First question. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teacher, the form of a computer. Mechanical teacher in the form of a computer. The teacher had a big black screen. The teacher had a big black screen on which all the lessons were flashed and the questions were asked. The teacher also had a slot where students had to put their homework and test paper. Saturday and Sunday were the days when the teacher didn't appear. Again, after reading the questions and answer, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teacher in the form of computer. As you know, the teacher had a black screen on which all the lessons were flashed and the question were asked. As you know, the teacher also had a slot where the student had to put the homework, and as you know, they asked every day first about the homework, and children had to put the homework first in that slot, in that place. Then the mechanical teachers will start next particular point or next day's work. So the students didn't like this, because sometimes they have any problems, but mechanical teacher is, no heart, no feelings, could not understand. That is why children don't like this particular mechanical teacher, because every day first they had to provide homework in the particular slot, and then teacher will work further. And put their homework and test taking, then test paper also have to first put, then next particular point, next work start. And Saturday and Sunday were the days when the teacher didn't appear. That means that is the holiday for the children. We should keep in it mind. Next question, number 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? What is the reason? So that Margie's mother called county inspector, means for the person who is repairing the computer, repair the mechanical teacher, he is called county inspector. Why did Margie's mother call or sent for the county inspector? The mechanical teacher had been giving Margie test after test in geography. The mechanical teacher, means computer, had been giving test after test in geography, and she was doing worse and worse, means her performance was very weak. She was doing less, worse and worse, which was because the geography sector was geared up a bit high. Geared up a bit high means run speedily. And her mother suspected that there was something wrong. Mother thinking like this, doubt is there that there was something wrong with Margie, and to resolve, to find the solution, to resolve the problem, the county inspector was sent for to find the solution. Margie's mother had called county inspector, or he was sent for. Inspector was sent for. The reason is that mechanical teacher had been giving test after test. Margie was not doing well, worse and worse, and her mother thought something was wrong. Margie showing worse performance, and that is why she thought like this, that something wrong. That is why she had called county inspector, or the repair of the mechanical teacher. Next, number 3. What did he do? What did he do? What did he do in the sense? What did county inspector do. When Margie's mother called for the county inspector, he took the mechanical teacher apart, slowed up the geography section, and was adjusted to be too quick, and then assembled the teacher back again. When county inspector come, he took the mechanical teacher apart in a side, slowed up the geography section because it was running somehow fast in comparison of Margie's age, and that is why he took the particular teacher apart, slowed up the geography section, and adjusted to be too quick, and then assembled the teacher back again, keeping it in same situation. He adjusted it as per the level of 10-year-old student. He adjusted it because it was running fast. That means it was at the level of 15 or 18 year students. So naturally, Margie's aged around 11, and that is why she finding some how hard because it was running very fast. We must also take into consideration this particular point. We have seen this particular point in this way that it must be kept in our mind. So, in this particular question answer, in first question we have seen 1 to 7 questions. In question number 2 we have seen first and second 2 questions, and in 3 we have seen 3 questions that also we should keep in mind. We should not forget it. We should not forget it. Question answer we should keep in mind, and we must it observe, learn, and prepare by heart. That is in this lecture. In next lecture we see long question answer and other question answer that we see in this particular lesson. About homework, this question answer you have to write in your book one time, and you have to prepare it. Clear? So it is necessary to prepare it, read it, and when we will take test, so from today you should start the preparation of this writing question answer and preparing it. Okay? Further question answer we will see in next lecture. Thank you. Bye. Sagar sir. अब क्या उचित है, क्या अनुचित है, क्या करना उचित है, क्या करना अनुचित है, वो सब हो देखो देखकर
सेव
पूछा
करो बटन
कि नहीं सहसा लाके से बोली